Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Annie's Creations. You're welcome back. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and also leave a comment at the comment section. And also watch this video to the end. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the simplest way of how to install your zip on a very stretchy fabric without it giving you that zigzag kind of result, that bulging kind of result. So stay tuned. So to fix your zip on a stretchy fabric, you need to make use of pin. You make use of the pin. You are going to pin the zip on the fabric from the neck to where your zip is stopping. That's from the neckline to the hip point. So you are going to pin just like the way I'm doing it. You are going to pin your zip like this to the fabric. So when you are done, you are going to cross check the pins. Like you're going to check if the fabric is actually having some excess or is actually squeezing. If there's any place that is squeezing, that is folding, you are going to correct it by repeating. Like you are going to remove the pin, stretch the fabric, and then you repin it back. Then when you are done, you are going to go over to your machine and sew it carefully. You don't have to rush, and you don't have to stretch the fabric. You don't have to stretch the zip either. So you can see how perfect it is without even ironing. It's not bulging, it's not giving that wavy kind of result. So when you are done, you are just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. But before then, you have to cross check the waistline. You have to cross check if the two lines are corresponding. So you're just going to pin it from the hip point to the neck point. Avoid stretching the fabric while pinning. So make sure that the neck lines are also corresponding. So when you are done, you are just going to sew it carefully, just like the way you did on the first line.